Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a cool button in Scratch for your projects, games, animations, and much more. So first of all, we need to create our button. So we'll take this square and we'll drag it, and there we'll fill it to the color we want, for example black, and here we have got our button. Let's put it in the middle, and then we can also add text to it, for example button, and then make the text white. There we go. And you can also change the font. I like pixel, so set it to pixel. Now what we can do is we can make our sharp edges curved. So to do that, we need to select this tool and zoom in a bit, and at equal distances we click around the corners, and just like this. And then delete all those corner ones. So delete, 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 delete. And now we don't have pointed edges, and so our button looks much more amazing. So now to the coding. What we want to do is that whenever we hover over the button, it should become bigger. So first of all, when clicked, forever, if else block, and if touching mouse pointer, then set size to, and also set size to this. So now we need to go to operators and take the plus operator and also the dividing operator, just like this. So now what we need to do is we can set a number, for example 80, or let's say you can do anything 60, and then needs size divided by 2. Now whenever I hover over the button, it will gradually increase its size, which looks really amazing. And this looks good, but we can also make this better by making this 40 in the else one, and so whenever you hover over the button, it'll become really big. And it's not a sudden movement. It happens slowly, so it looks really good. So yes, you can see that whenever we go over the button, it will increase its size. You can also change the size of the button by yourself, whatever suits you, your project, your game. So if I do 40, 30, then whenever I will hover over the button, it will set size to this much. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.